This is Tännforsen, the most powerful waterfall in Sweden. Every single second, hundreds of thousands of liters of water crashes down this 38-meter drop. But standing here, you realize something else. The sheer force of it is actually terrifying. Located just 22 kilometers from Aar, Tännforsen isn't just tall, it's wide, spanning 60 meters across. The noise here is completely deafening. In the spring, when the mountain snow melts, the water flow peaks at an incredible 800 cubic meters per second. To put that in perspective, that's enough to fill an Olympic sized swimming pool in less than 4 seconds. Visiting here in June means you are seeing the falls at their absolute peak. The massive volume of water is completely fueled by the melting snow caps from the surrounding Jämtland mountains. Because it remains completely untamed, Tännforsen holds a unique title. It is Sweden's largest free-flowing waterfall. In the mid 20th century, there were massive corporate plans to dam these rapids for hydroelectric power, but local resistance and environmentalists fought back fiercely, and in 1971, it was officially declared a protected nature reserve. That protection wasn't just for the views. The constant heavy humidity generated by the crashing water has created a completely unique microclimate, home to rare wood living mosses and lichens that cannot survive anywhere else in Sweden. But ancient folklore says a giant once lived beneath the riverbed, and the deep rumbling vibrations you feel under your feet is the giant's heartbeat, warning travelers to respect the wild. When winter grips northern Sweden, the water volume drops significantly. The raging torrents begin to freeze from the outside in, wrapping the entire 60-meter wide cliff face in a massive, dramatic shroud of solid ice. During the coldest months between December and February, adventurous hikers can actually walk safely underneath the frozen cascade. You wind up standing inside hidden ice caves, looking out at the winter world through a wall of glowing blue ice. But if you prefer the raw, earth shaking power of nature, June is the undisputed champion. You can physically feel the spray soaking your clothes from the viewing platforms built right over the edge. Getting here is surprisingly easy. It's just a short 20-minute drive from the ski town of Aar, followed by a beautiful 10-minute walk through the forest from the visitor center. If you are planning a trip to Scandinavia, Tännforsen belongs at the top of your bucket list. But I want to hear from you. Would you rather visit this giant during the roaring summer melt or walk inside its frozen ice caves in the winter? Drop your vote in the comments below and hit that subscribe button for more hidden Scandinavian adventures. And I will see you in the next video.